Welcome ladies and gentlemen, my name is Arsen and this is the Dynamic Modeling of Cities channel 2019, and within this video we're going to teach you guys how to extract contours from AURIN so you can use into other programs like 3ds Max and also AutoCAD or ArchiCAD, using any type program to utilize contours from this website. So what you need to do is first go into the website through AURIN portal, which is just the link to this website. Once you're in, you start to be able to actually load into your account, so log in, get into it, and then you'll reach this screen here, which is just going to show you a map of Australia and an outline of your subject area or study area at the moment. So what you're going to do is click on area selection, double click it, and then it will come up with refine area, which you're going to use that to define your area study. So we can go from there and refine the area and start breaking it down. So you go states and territories, then you want to click on the state that you want. This will be Victoria in our case. Then you can go from there. I'm pretty sure you can hit suburbs as well. So we'll try that. 2011, the most up-to-date version of it. And this should be Keon Park. Here's our selected site. It's Keon Park. I'm not seeing Keon Park. Maybe it's not coming up on this. No, I don't think it will come up. So the closest thing will be Thomastown. And then from there, we can use that as a way to understand our area. So that's Thomastown there. That is Laylaw. Okay, so the station is right over here. See, Keon Park Station. So what we can do is create a bounding box for this area by clicking this box here. Open area selection. And it didn't go to the right place that we wanted to. So we'll give it a second. So copy that as a bounding box. And hopefully we can change the bounding box and increase the size of this, as you can see from here. Now we can change the bounding box to the size that we need, depending on how much information we need from the map itself. So we'll go for something like this, which is a good distance from Keon Park and the route of the station to Thomastown Station. We'll have that in there as well, and a scope of Mahoney's Road and Settlement Road as well through Keon Parade. So that gets all the information that we need there as well. So what we're going to do from there is browse for data. And then when you browse for data, you will search up the keywords contours, because that is the goal, to gain contours through the program. So once that loads, after you search the keyword, there'll be a whole bunch of options that come up here. Usually you want to highlight the metro contours, because that's going to be the best source of information. And then from there, there'll be a couple of attributes clicked on the right hand side of the screen. Make sure to click all of the attributes and then save that as your search, because that will be the goal. So you can add and open, or just add it here. Then give it a name, it'll come up with its own name. You can close this box now. Then when you click on this, it'll come up with that information, which is highlighted in that bounding box. But if you want to export this information into another program, the way you will do so is by pressing the bounding box here and then clicking download SHP. That is a file type that you'll be able to utilize within AutoCAD or ArchiCAD in order to do it. And then the dataset is here, and you'll tell you that your browser is slowing down because of it. But the idea is that it will load or download the actual figure. So we're going to say yes, try to download the complete data set, and then we're going to save it as well. And then once it's saved, we can open it into another program and utilize that within our system in order to take away the contours from that and use it within our architectural project. Since our station is based on Keon Park, and that is our main goal, to see how Keon Park does change, and the contours will play a vital part in the creature's movement in the area as well. And the contours that you see on the map are highlighted in this red line effect that you can see. If we can move that away, it's this red line here. Those are the contours that we'll be extracting from our bounding box into the program so we can utilize. So that's how you export contours from AURIN into other programs, so you're able to utilize it in your future projects. That is all for this video. I'll catch you guys later.